Today we will do an interesting experiment of making calcium oxide from this calcium carbonate. This is the yield of calcium carbonate that I have got from the chalks, and now we will put this in this container and heat it for obtaining our nice yield of calcium oxide, and we will store it in this bag. So let's start. For this experiment, safety is mandatory because calcium oxides reacts with moisture. So now we have poured this calcium carbonate in this container and we will take a spoon for pouring it, and I have poured. Now we will start the heating. We have started the heating and we will wait for some time. This is the calcium carbonate. You can see there is no change, but we will stir little bit. We will again stir. It is on low flame. We will stir it again a little bit. It will take a lot of time. We have to heat it till it becomes red hot. Oh, it has become a big mess. So hot. I think the container is becoming red hot. Yes. Not the carbonate. So we'll let it cool for some time. The container was becoming red hot. You can see. Let the container cool for some time. We have again started the heating. And it's a good news that calcium oxides form at the temperature of 825 degrees Celsius, and the melting point of this steel container is 1370. So we can get a little calcium oxide. So we should wait for this yield. So let's wait for a while. I wouldn't be fast forwarding the video. You will see all the steps that are happening inside the container while forming the calcium oxide. The best thing to use at such for making such calcium oxide is a graphite crucible, because its melting point is 3000 degrees Celsius. So it can withstand this temperature of 825, but this container can also withstand that temperature. It is becoming red hot, the container. But our calcium oxide isn't doing that well much. The sides are getting red hot, and at such times it is a danger of breaking the container. Let it cool. will pour this mixture into another container. What's the state of this container? It has become blue. That's because it has got red hot, but after cooling it has given a nice blue shade. And we have poured the mixture. For testing, we will take some water and pour this substance in that water. So let's do that. I've taken little water inside this little beaker, and now we will pour a little of this inside the water. Very little. Yes. So just it reacted a little. So we can say a little calcium oxide is formed. This calcium carbonate, but the air which was there coming out, that was hydrogen, and it reacted with the moisture of the water. So we can say that some calcium oxide is formed in that mixture. This is the mixture. We can't again heat it, but let's try again. So it is a good yield because this is calcium oxide plus calcium carbonate, a mixture of these both, and when we pour in water we get calcium hydroxide because calcium carbonate under normal conditions is insoluble in water. So we get a yield of calcium hydroxide, a very good yield. So after for making some experiments, we can use this calcium hydroxide for making something in the future videos. Till then, thank you.